Thumbs in the ears, right?
No, fingers in the ears, thumbs on the nose.
Why can't I just do like this?
Whatever.
Because this is better.
All right. Okay.
Now I do like this.
Take me to your leader.
Make sure your ears are plugged and your nose is plugged.
Well, my ears are plugged. I can see your mouth moving, but I can't hear you talking.
All right. Drink through the straw as much as you can.
Hang on.
Keep drinking.
Chug, 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 chug. Basically,
right.
you're just holding your breath. That's
Yeah,
all
I mean, that's the dumbest thing I've ever done in my life. Well, that's not true. There's another hiccup. See?
Yeah.
Like tail right there.
Because you didn't.
That was worth it for me. I just want you to know that.
Sit down.